Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this talk on your path to financial freedom. Afterwards, you can also ask some questions. Let's just quickly run through this and show you what we do and how it can benefit you. So I'm going to first start with just our story very briefly. My wife and I, we were invited to this opportunity more than 30 years ago. But for 2 years we said, not interested, don't talk to us, we don't want to do it. And at that stage I actually started with my master's degree, just to get a bigger salary. And Chris and Barbara told us about this opportunity. And once you start working, you're in a rat race, you never have enough money for anything. You're always a few bucks or dollars or rands or whatever short. And we experienced that as well. We had 3 children. We struggled financially. One Christmas, we had to give our children school clothes as Christmas gifts because we didn't have money for school clothes and Christmas gifts. So we were really battling. So when I got started with this, in our first month, we made 3 times more than my salary increase would have been after 4 years part-time study on my master's degree. So I'm a maths and science qualified person. So I stopped my master's degree just then and then. It didn't make any mathematical sense to me to study 4 years for a third of what I got in my first month of doing this. So since then, our lives changed. Many of our dreams came true. Many of our dreams, more of our dreams are coming true as well. We're helping a lot of people. And it's exciting because life has changed for us. Life is much better for us. And we can now help other people also. And that's just fantastic to see how we struggled initially, how we found a solution, how it changed our lives, and the future is not bright. It can do for you as well. Let's talk about normal business. In normal business, you see on the one side, you've got the manufacturer there, other side, you've got the consumer. And as you know, by the time you as a consumer buy, the price is much higher. For example, if the manufacturer makes something, let's say, and it costs 15 Rand, $15, whatever the case might be, by the time you buy it, it's probably about $100 or 100 rands. 85% of the price is in advertising and distribution. So if you can get rid of those people in between, you can save a lot of money. That's what people like Amazon and those companies do. They cut out a lot of middlemen, and therefore it allows products to be sold for much cheaper, and you can get quality products being sold much cheaper as well. And this is where we come in. We say, if we can take the product from the manufacturer to the consumer, and you can cut out the people in the middle, then you can actually deliver a superior quality product for a lower cost than the normal distribution channel. So that's what we come in, and that's where our people, one way we are people, to buy quality stuff for a good price. Let me show you how this works very briefly, because we had the completely wrong idea when we were introduced to this opportunity, and we wasted 2 years of our lives because we said no, because we didn't know what this was about. Now, if you want to partner with any company in the world, you need to look for a company that's, for example, older than 5 years, because most businesses fail between 2 to 5 years, they fail. So once over 5 years, it means it is established, usually. And this company started in 1958, probably older than most of us on the talk tonight. And is this company international? Yes, it's in 50 plus countries. Now that gives you some more security. Is it financially stable? Yes, the company has no debt. Is the company privately owned? Yes. Now why is that important? There are no shareholders just wanting more profits. See, that is a problem with companies that's an open company or a public company, because shareholders want profits. And very often, those shareholders eventually vote out the original person who started the company even. These people that start this company, they got pride in what they do. Are the products consumable? Yes. They're unique and in high demand. That's important. That helps to create a regular turnover, and you see why that's so important as we continue. Is there a need for this? Of course there is a need. I mean, how many people lose their jobs every day? and they had to struggle to find another job. Well, how many people have a job, but they struggle to survive? They never have enough. Some people got 3, 4 jobs even sometimes, over weekends or whatever. I mean, I at one stage had in my backyard a small plant nursery as well. I was teaching at a government school and a plant nursery, and I sold plants over weekends as well, just to try and make ends meet. And we were short. We didn't make ends meet, despite all the efforts. My wife baked banana loaves for home industries. She made tracksuits. She worked in emergency pharmacy every second week. You know, so you need a consumer product to create turnover. And there's a need because people need these things and people are financially desperate. And we have the solution for them. Now, are you able to earn an immediate income? Yes, you can. We did in our first month. In today's currency, in rands value, we would have probably made about 2,000 rand in our first month. It is possible. It depends on you. Okay. Now, advantages when you partner with us. Firstly, you can save money. An example, on home cleaning products, you can pay, for example, 400 rand a month instead of 1,000 rand, as an example, depending on what you use and how you use it. Because you can save a lot of money. A couple of years back, I heard an accountant. He made calculations, and his family of 5 people saved about 500 rand a month in those days. That's a couple of years back already. Now, okay, in pounds, you're talking probably about 24, 25 pounds, probably, UK pounds, depending where, okay, so depends on your currency, but the point is you can save money. The income potential is unlimited. You are your own limit. You decide. Remember, if you work for a boss, and there's the next one, your own boss here. If you work for a boss, your boss determines what he pays you. And the boss cannot pay you what you're really worth. I mean, the boss must make some profit as well. I own a private school. Thanks to this opportunity, my dream was to own a private school. And thanks to this opportunity, I got there. Now, I've got teachers that work for me. I can't pay them exactly what they're worth, okay? Otherwise, I won't make any profit. You also get a residual income or passive income. That means what you do today will still help you make money 5 or 10 years from now. It's not a once only income. There's a continuous income. It's like somebody writing a book. You know, as long as the book sells, he makes money. Remember, if you work for a boss, if you stop working for a month, you don't get paid. Unless you had leave, obviously. But here, you can get a continual or residual income. You can get travel and adventure. That happened to my wife and I. We had fantastic travels this year. Fantastic adventure. Paid for us. You need no formal education. We give support and training. Startup cost very low. I'll talk about it a bit later on. And once you do this properly, you also have tax benefits. So it's a win-win all the way. So choose your path. You can decide, I want to do this part-time. That's how we started, part-time. We're still part-time. Or you can decide, I'm in a situation where I want to go full-time. But before you do that, speak to us before you do that one.
I am Putlana Judith Pila. I am married and blessed with 4 daughters, 2 sons, and 2 grandchildren. I am a teacher by profession. As a teacher, I was financially stressed, and this had a negative impact on my health. I joined on a part-time basis because I wanted to improve my health, and I also wanted financial freedom. Through the wonderful products, I got my chronic asthma under control, and today I'm no longer on inhalers. My family has also benefited from these products. I also experienced financial breakthrough I've been praying for. I'm no longer teaching. I own a beautiful home and have sent all my children to private schools. As a teacher, I would never have been able to travel abroad. But through this business, I've been to Hong Kong, I've been to Dubai, and earlier this year, we went on a vacation to to a beautiful holiday resort at George. And next year, we'll be going to Prague. None of this would have been possible without my wonderful team. And I want to thank them for the team spirit and would like to encourage them to focus on the business so as to achieve their dreams. I also want to thank the company for their support in growing my business. My advice to all is treat your business like a business. Own it. You are not working for anyone. You are your own boss. So assume leadership position. Be committed, work hard, and stay focused. The sooner the better. Thank you.
Okay, that's just one example of a lady. She was a teacher. How she grabbed this opportunity and it changed their lives. That's just fantastic. And there are many stories like that I can tell you. But it all starts with a dream, a drive, a desire. I want to get more out of life because so many people are struggling and you want to get more. So you can get more, but you must have the drive, you must have a dream. That's where it all starts. You register for the cost of a tank of petrol, give and take. In South Africa, it's about 950 rand to get started. I'll give some more examples later on. So it's not that much money to get started. 5 to 10 hours a week is all you need if you work consistently. And this is the key. Work consistently. Don't work like crazy for 2 weeks and then 6 weeks you do nothing. That's not going to work. The consistency. Like I said, 2 to 5 years, what we find, if somebody has got a job and they do this part-time and they put 5 to 10 hours a week in, on average it takes 2 to 5 years to double their income. To give an idea, when we started, within 3 years, we took more money home from our hobby, this business, than from a teaching salary. 3 years. And that put me on the road to start my own school, which was my dream when I was a student. You can get financial freedom. So, if you've got a dream, you drive a desire, and you want to make a success of this, you register the cost of a tank of petrol, you put in 5 to 10 hours a week, it can take 2 to 5 years to give you financial freedom. But that's for you to decide because you are your own boss. So let me show you a bit more about this. What's the first step? Now the company has got fantastic products. Home care products. We all must clean our homes. So, okay, buy for your own shop, use your home care products. There's nutritional products, skincare products, personal care like shampoo, conditioner, antibody lotion, things like that. And because if you register with the company, you buy at a discount. Okay? You buy at about 20% discount, give and take. So depending on what you buy, you will save. Now, one thing I must just mention here. There is no such thing as that you have to buy every month if you don't want to. Okay, you might lose out on certain benefits if you don't, but you don't have to. It's like having a discount card at a supermarket. I mean, in South Africa, we've got so many cards. I've got an extra wallet just for my cards of all the businesses. I mean, there's a Checkers Shopper Extra card. There's the Smart Shopper card. You know all the different cards. And almost every second petrol station, got a card. And there's a Spark card and an OK card. I mean, it's crazy how many cards. It doesn't cost me anything to get those cards. And I don't have to go by there if I don't want to. But when I use those cards, I benefit. Same idea here. You get benefits if you use the card. In this case, if you use the products from your own business. Okay. Now, here I want to show you something. Once you're registered and you start buying products, you start using products, you become excited about the products. Like I am excited about the products, but also about opportunity. Because through this opportunity, we help other people to buy quality products, but also to earn an additional income. So once you're registered, we do something natural. We all like to tell people stories. Now you see the photograph there of the potatoes there, a pocket potatoes, 24.99 rand. Now, South Africa, that will be a very big bargain if you can get it for that price nowadays. But the point is, if you see something like that, a very big bargain, what we naturally do, we get excited and we tell our friends. We say, listen here, to go to this shop, they've got this pocket potatoes at a very good price. And what do the people do? They go buy the pocket of potatoes. Who makes a profit? The shop. Who did the advertising and the marketing? You. Don't get paid for that. Now here's the example. When we saw those potatoes, we quickly got on the phones, WhatsApped some people, we bought extra pockets for some friends, but we did the marketing, but we did not get a cent for our marketing. In what we do, it works differently. Remember I said the first step, you start using products at a discount once you register. Next step, you build yourself a sales force. How do you do that? By talking to people, like my pocket of potato examples. Just talk to people. And by people, what do? They decide to register as well to also make a discount or get a discount. Okay, so they do exactly what you do. And they start buying products at a discount. And what do? They talk to more people. And so on, more and more people start buying products at a discount. And the company gets a turnover, and from the turnover, here's the nice part. From the turnover, you get a bonus. Now think of the potato example I showed you. I mean, we didn't get a cent for advertising those potatoes. Okay? But in this business, if you advertise the products by talking to people, which is something you normally do in any case, you can earn bonuses. And you can earn a lot of money in the end if you're prepared to do this properly. Okay, I'm going to recap the different steps as we go on as well. But by talking to people, and more and more people become involved, more and more people start using products, you start earning bonuses. Depending on how many people you talk to, the bonus become bigger and bigger. And this is the power of multiplication comes in. Multiplication. Let's, for example, say if you get 10 people going, okay, if you get 10 people going, there, for example, you get 10 people going, those 10 get 10 each, and those 10 get 10 each. If you look carefully mathematically, that means you started, you got 10, that means there's 11 people now. Those 10 got 10 each, another 100 people added. Those get 10 each, that's another 1,000 people added. Now guess what? That means there's so many people. People that have registered with the company thanks to you, because you spoke to other people, you shared your story. If those people, that more than 1,000 people, if they buy, let's for example say 400 rands, you can use Kenya shillings or Ghana shillings, whatever, or pounds or whatever currency, because the principle is the same. If they buy, for example, 400 rands worth of product a month, and that is a low amount by the way, that means it's a total turnover of 444,400 if you got more than 1,000 people. Guess what? The company will say thank you to you and they'll give you a bonus at the end of the month. Each month you start fresh. Okay? And this is just one example. You can earn more than 40,000 rand per month. Now think about it. If you had an extra 40,000 rand, depending on your currency, okay, Ghana shilling is probably at 30,000, okay. So just think how much that will make, how much difference that will make to your monthly budget. And remember, this is from a part-time hobby. It's part-time, unless you want to do it full-time, obviously, but you can earn more. Okay. Just make sure some people are not muted. Okay, I'm just muting. Okay. So it depends on you how big your turnover will be. Now this is just people for own use. You spoke to people, they register and buy it for own use, what they want, when they want. There's no compulsion they must buy on a monthly basis. They don't have to if they don't want to. Now imagine if these more than 1,000 people also pick up your customers along the way. How big will the business be now? And that's the next step. Sorry. Okay. They sell products. Now let me explain this. You speak to people, you tell them about the opportunity. You say, here is the opportunity of making money. Those who register, they do the same as you. Those who don't, say no problem, but I've got these fantastic products, whether it's for sugar problems or blood pressure problems or cleaning the house or whatever, skincare problems or whatever, they can buy from you. So you then can sell to them at a profit, plus this forms part of your general turnover as well. So that means your bonus becomes bigger. Now imagine if there are more than 1,000 people all buy products for themselves each month and each have a few customers. Think what your turnover will be and then your bonus will be. Now where does this idea come from? Have you ever heard about Kentucky and McDonald's and those franchises? Basically a similar idea. The biggest difference here, however, is you can sub-franchise, which you can't do in normal franchises. And the other advantage here is you are working for yourself. Even if you start 5 or 10 or 20 years after me, if you work harder and smarter than me, you can earn more than me. I mean, there are many people doing this business who have done that, who earn much more than the person that invited them into this opportunity. So there's no limit. You decide how much you want to earn, and you can earn more than other people who've been in the business much longer than you. All depends on you. How do you build a sales force? Well, we all talk to people every day. Every day we talk to people. And some of us really like to talk. You talk to people you know and you meet. You go to shops. Okay, you meet people there. Restaurants, sports fields, wherever. You meet people. You share your experience by telling your story. Now in the beginning you may not have a story yet. That's not a problem. You use stories of other people to share. Like the video I played of that lady, of her experience that used to be a teacher. Okay? Those people, they start to use the products. And they talk to more people. And that way your sales force grow. And like I said, people do not want to register. They can buy as customers. They buy full price. Plan of action. Let's summarize this. Know your why. Others have a goal. Have a reason why you want to do this. Whether it's better health, whether it's helping other people, whether it's more money, whether it's all three of them, whether there are other reasons, helping the community, what other reasons you may have, doesn't matter, but know your reason. Have a desire, have a dream. Use the products at the discount when you want, as much as you want. Share the opportunity with other people. That's what I'm doing tonight. Share the products. I'm not only sharing the business tonight, I'm also showing other people who are already in the business how to share the business with people. And I can share this PowerPoint slideshow with them so they can use this to share the opportunity with other people. So there's also support and training. So you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And that's great. You have got support. So know your why, use products, share, and you grow. Let's summarize. Use products as you need it and save money. Register with a starter kit. 2. Get educated. Use the support that is available. Like every second Wednesday, I'm going to do this talk, which means you can invite friends to this talk. You don't even have to do any explanation. You simply say to people, if you like to see a way of earning an extra stream of income, watch the Zoom on Wednesday evening. You send them the link and I do the talking. And you can learn from the talk, and a few weeks later you might be able to do it yourself. Help other people save money. Help them register the starter kit. That's the 3rd step. 4th, people who do not want to register, help them to save money by buying from you the cleaning products and whatever, because we're selling quality. Because they get quality, it actually saves the money in the long run, in more than one way.
My wife saw the product, used one of the skincare products, and decided that she wanted to do something more with it. And that's how we got involved. We needed the opportunity. We'd recently emigrated to South Africa and we're starting again, actually, come from Zim. and I had a consultant post in Durban in anesthetics, and I was working as a doctor there. So, but we're still starting brand new, and so it was there was a need, but I was quite happy for Pat to do it. I couldn't see myself being involved. I was an anaesthetist, and anaesthetists keep people quiet as opposed to talk to them. And so it was certainly not something that I could see myself being involved with. But it was okay if Pat, my wife, wanted to do it. So that's how it started. So that initial skepticism, which was big, was there. But after a period of time, I can't remember exactly when, but I got hepatitis and I was very unwell. And Pat insisted that I take a whole bunch of stuff. And that made a big difference for me. So now I could feel that the nutrition worked. I just didn't know why it worked. And so when you start investigating more, you realize that there's this amazing long history of research and development. And any questions that I had, I was able to get good, solid physiological answers to how these products were working and what they were doing in the body. And so that initial skepticism started to disappear because of information. As Andre was saying earlier, we're scientists and we want to know that there is proof here. The basic philosophy of the company has always been it should be based in nature, but to have scientific backup to that. And so that was where it gelled for me that those things were in place, and my confidence and understanding and all of those things started to increase, improve, and get to the point where I was very comfortable. No financial opportunity. And that has certainly been our experience, Pat and my experience over the 30-odd years that we've been involved. It has provided for us, literally. And the education of our kids and all of those things. And of course, our retirement. I mean, I don't ever want to retire. I see no reason to do that. And here we have an opportunity where no one is going to tap me on the shoulder and say, Barry, you're reaching retirement age. It's time you left. Can't happen. Self-employed. And it's amazing. And then you look at a situation like we're in right now in lockdown. We're able to continue to operate. I think, we have something that is so versatile and financially that we can continue to operate online like we're doing. I mean, this is just incredible that we can do this. But with a range of products that you can be very comfortable in recommending to whoever you come across.
And that is just an incredible story. And I've got to say, Barry, I think Barry in the beginning was one of those very, very tough customers. And we've all had those in the beginning. He was extremely skeptical about nutrition, which he mentioned, until his wife Pat got him onto the nutrition under his circumstances and the illness that he had picked up. And he experienced the benefit. And by experiencing the benefit, that's where the believability came from. And that is why we say the number one daily success habit is use the products. If Barry never used the products, he could have read about these products and nutrition in the medical journals, but it was through using the products that he built up this incredible, unshakable belief. And then you would have heard Barry transitioned into the business side of things. He he believed in the product and saw it as a viable business opportunity. But the interesting part of that story is, again, he was incredibly skeptical. It was only really when Pat, his wife's little part-time business, started doubling his full-time anesthetics income in 2 or 3 years, I think it was, Barry. Is that correct?
4.5, and I went full-time, yeah.
4.5 years. Okay, so it works. You did a full circle, Barry. Well done.
Well, it took me about 17 years going through medical school and specializing to get to that point where Pat was able to double my income in a 4.5-year period.
Wow.
It's an opportunity that works.
Powerful. Fantastic. Barry, thank you so much.
Okay, there you heard now from a medical doctor. His wife earned more than him very quickly, within 4.5 years. So, yeah, okay. But let's quickly go on. How do you get started? Well, you get your business kit. This includes your promoter registration in South Africa from 950 Rand, depending on which kit you're looking at. In Ghana, it's 900 shillings. Kenya, 9,500. And in Botswana, it's 750 pula. There are different kits. They start at this price. And once you've got your kit, you can buy products at a discount from between 20 and 25%. You get a unique ID number. And when you register team members, you can earn bonuses from over 50 countries. Now, we are earning money in about 7+ countries. I know that there are people earning like 30 countries as well. It varies from person to person. The point is you can earn money from all over the world if you're prepared to do what it takes. Now, there's a promoter with a Fab 4 Health Starter Pack. If you're more interested in the health side, you can start with this pack, for example. There's a cleaning kit pack as well that gives you 17 liters of cleaning products. Now imagine how much that will cost you in the shop. 17 liters. And the cleaning products in these kits are non-toxic, environmentally friendly, biodegradable. So if a child would drink it, nothing would happen to the child. And you see those tiles there? Those are roof tiles. Chris Cowley, an architect, one of his customers, wanted to replace his roof tiles, and they're all with that dark brown color. And Chris said, no, let's rather try something. And he used one of our products, the cleaning product, and you can see what the tile on the left side looked like. So instead of having to pay thousands of dollars or whatever the specific currency there, it was pounds in their case, the person saved thousands and thousands of pounds because they used a cleaning product that was non-toxic, not dangerous, and it cleaned his roof. So talk to the person who invited you about the kit options so you can see which kit is best for you. Now, what are your options? Let's really just end off. What are your options? One, ask the person that invited you for more information. Because obviously you might want to know more, okay? Or two, decide, okay, I'm fed up with being broke. I'm fed up with struggling with the health or finances. I want to get started as a promoter. If you do, you get the benefits of 20 to 40% discount depending on your situation. Build an international business that can give you a fantastic income. You can get your starter kit, like I just said, ranging from 950 Rand upwards, depending on which country you are in, what the actual value will be. But in there are products, sales aids, literature, and in Africa, you get a free website on which you can order, read up more, which you can share with friends, etc. Or in Africa, in some countries in Africa, not all countries, you can register as a member for free. But then you only get 10% discount, okay, not 20%. You still get a free website, but you cannot really earn bonuses. You can introduce people to the opportunity, and once you've got a couple of people introduced, then you might decide to upgrade to a promoter and start earning bonuses. So this is also an opportunity if you don't think you've got the money to get started. All you need to do to register as a member is to buy a product and then give your registration details. Now, no, this is not available in West Africa and East Africa and so on. It's more in Southern Africa, I know in countries like Europe, America, and so on, it's also available, the member option. Or decide you want to buy some products, try products, and see whether you like it or not. Okay? If you use the cleaning products correctly, you will save on your monthly expenses. So these are your basic options. Okay, so the point is you can save and make money every month, and that will help to stretch your budget, because we all need that extra bit. We started this opportunity because we just needed a little bit of extra money to fill the gap between what our expenses are and what our income was. There was a negative amount of money that we needed more money. We were in the red every month, so we needed in those days, a couple $100 of money each month just to fill the gaps. It helps you have money for those extra needs. Once you've built your business, like I said before, it took us about 3 years, and then after 3 years, we took more money home with our hobby than with my teacher's salary. So you can buy those extras as well, because you get a bonus from the total turnover, and you get profits from the products that you sell to people if you sell to people. Now, I'm not a salesperson. I don't like to go door to door selling products and stuff, and we don't do that. Okay, we don't do that. On that note, if you want to invite a few friends to your house or somewhere, or even their own homes, and you want me to do a meeting like this for you at a different time than on Wednesday evening, 8 o'clock, then talk to me. I can also do that. But every second Wednesday, I'm going to do a presentation. Next week, I'm going to do this slightly different from tonight. But this opportunity can make your dreams come true if you're prepared to take it. Remember, you must have a dream, a desire to get started. Well, thank you for your time. Decide now to come and join us on this life-changing journey. Let's change your life. Let's help change the lives of other people as well. I can see a couple of people coming in late. Okay. I think I'll just quickly summarize the last step. Basically, it's for them as well, just so they can see the main points quickly, and then we end off. So basically what I said, what are the steps? Just to get to that quickly. Okay, here's the summary. You register with the company with a starter kit, which allows you to buy products at a discount, and you save money. 2, you get educated, you use support to help you build your business, to learn how to use the products, get training. Every Monday evening, we've got a Zoom training as well. 3, help other people save money by talking to them about the opportunity, and if they get started, you help them to save money, and they then do the same as you. So in other words, they also use products at a discount, what they need, when they need it, only as you need. They get educated, and they help other people again. And people who do not want to take a starter kit, you can share the products with those people if they're done with the register, and they can save money on the cleaning products, for example, and they can also benefit from the fantastic products that we have. So that's basically what I'm going to share with you tonight. Okay, I've stopped share. Now some people came late. If there are a few questions, just unmute yourself, and then you can ask questions. We've got a few minutes to answer a few questions if you've got any questions. Any questions? Okay. But in any case, then I end off by saying, contact the person invited you if you want to know more about how to go about doing this business. And then also on Monday evenings, I know South African time at 9 o'clock, South African time, UK, 9 o'clock South African time, UK time is what time, Leslie? 7 o'clock UK time. Okay? And I know other countries also get the cues from there, and then they can also start joining the training as well. Okay. In any case, contact the person invited you to get more information. And if you already registered and you want to get the PowerPoint, let me know, then I can send you the PowerPoint. We're here to help you for better health and for better wealth. Okay, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Keep well.
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you, Naj.
Thank you, Amen. Thank you.
It's a pleasure, Nazipa.
Yes, thank you so much. You are very interested. All the best.
Thank you, but let's help you build your business for you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Oh, there's someone else coming in late now.
Good morning.
Okay. In any case, we're going to end off now. And there's somebody to join us. Good night, everybody.
Night now.
Okay. Pina, I see you came in late. We are ending off already. But in 2 weeks' time, we have another one. Okay. Okay, everybody. Keep well.
Okay, bye. Say
Bye.
hi to Mrs. Amen.
Enjoy the rest of the week.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.